In this video, we will show you the basic functions of Monster's screen and how to set up. Press and hold the minus button for more than 2 seconds to activate or deactivate walking mode. In the power on state, while the vehicle is stationary, press and hold the M button for more than 2 seconds, and the display enters the normal setting state. After setting, long press M to exit the setting mode. P00 indicates the power display. When you get in the setting mode, according to your riding habit, use plus or minus button to select 500 watts or 1000 watts. The default value is 1000 watts. P01 indicates the brightness. Use the plus or minus button to select the brightness. Parameters 1, 2, and 3 can be set to indicate backlight brightness. 1 is the darkest, 2 is the standard, and 3 is the brightest. P02 indicates the speed units. When you get in the setting mode, use plus or minus buttons to select km, h or mph. Press the M button to confirm. P03 indicates the voltage that the display could operate normally. Select 24 to 48 volt by pressing plus or minus button. The factory default value is 48 volt. P04 indicates the automatic shutdown time when the vehicle is stationary and there is no operation. Use the plus or minus button to select from 0 to 60. 0 means that it will not shut down automatically. The default value is 5 minutes. P05 indicates the PAS level when you ride. And the parameter is not adjustable and the default value is 1. The operation interface has 1 to 5 levels mode. P06 indicates the wheel size. The factory default wheel diameter value is correct, please don't change it. P08 indicates the speed limit setting. The riding speed of the instrument is between 12 and 55 km per hour. Change this value to set the maximum riding speed of the electric vehicle, which can be adjusted by plus or minus button. Press the M button to confirm and exit the setup status.